Welcome to this guide on how to buy travel insurance online with EktaTraveling. This video will show you exactly how to navigate the service, choose the best insurance plan, and get covered for your upcoming trip in just a few minutes. If you're someone who's never bought travel insurance before, don't worry. By the end of this tutorial, you'll feel confident and informed. Let's start by exploring the website and its key features. The layout is simple and intuitive, allowing you to search for travel insurance plans based on your specific trip details, such as destination and duration. You'll see clear options to compare coverage, review what's included in each plan, and choose the one that fits your travel needs. What's great about EktaTraveling is that it offers transparent pricing with no hidden fees, so you know exactly what you're paying for. One of the main benefits of using EktaTraveling is its user-friendly interface. Even if you're not tech-savvy, you can easily follow the steps to purchase a plan. You'll find a variety of insurance options that provide coverage for things like medical emergencies, trip cancellations, and lost luggage. I especially recommend it for international travel, as their plans are comprehensive and cater to both short and long trips. Now, let's go over the steps to get your travel insurance. First, you'll fill out a quick form with your travel dates and destination. Next, the site will display a list of recommended plans tailored to your trip. You can click through each option to see what's included, like emergency medical coverage, trip delays, or luggage protection. If you're unsure, there's a helpful comparison tool that highlights the differences between plans. Once you've chosen the plan that works best for you, you simply follow the prompts to enter your personal information and payment details. In just a few minutes, your travel insurance will be active, and you'll receive confirmation by email. The key advantage of using EktaTraveling is that it offers reliable insurance at competitive prices. Plus, you can make changes or file a claim online with ease, making it a convenient option for all travelers. If you're planning a trip soon, I highly recommend following the link in the description below to get started with EktaTraveling and secure the right coverage for your journey. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more travel tips, hit the like button, and share this video if you found it helpful.